New 2026 Europe travel rules you did not know about. Your dream 2026 European vacation could be over before it even starts. Imagine being at the airport, ready to go, only to be denied boarding. This is a real risk for travelers from over 50 countries, all because of a new travel rule called ETIAS. A single digital checkbox you didn't know you had to tick could cost you your trip and thousands of dollars. But that won't happen to you. Here's what you need to know. ETIAS stands for the European Travel Information and Authorization System. But let's be clear, ETIAS is not a visa. Think of it as a digital travel permit or a visa waiver, much like the ESTA program for the United States. It's an online system designed to pre-screen travelers who can currently visit Europe without a visa in order to strengthen border security. This new rule applies to you if you are a citizen of a visa-exempt country. If you hold a passport from the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Australia, or New Zealand, you will need an ETIAS. It's required for short trips, up to 90 days within any 180-day period for tourism or business. You do not need an ETIAS if you are a citizen of an EU member country or if you already need a full Schengen visa. ETIAS will be required for entry into 30 European countries. This includes the entire Schengen area, popular destinations like France, Italy, Germany, and Spain, as well as countries like Bulgaria, Romania, and Cyprus. One key exception is Ireland, which is not part of this system. The UK also has its own separate system. The process is simple and entirely online, taking about 10 to 20 minutes. First and most importantly, only use the official ETIAS website or mobile app to apply. This is critical to avoid scams. You will need your passport, an email address, and a credit or debit card for the €20 fee. Travelers under 18 or over 70 are exempt from the fee. Most applications should be approved within minutes. Once approved, your ETIAS is digitally linked to your passport and is valid for 3 years or until your passport expires. The ETIAS system is scheduled to launch in the last quarter of 2026. While there will be a transitional period, you should plan for it to be mandatory. My advice is to apply as soon as you start planning your trip and before booking anything non-refundable. Airlines will be required to check for a valid ETIAS before you board. Also, remember 3 key things. 1. Your ETIAS is tied to the specific passport you apply with. If you get a new passport, you need a new ETIAS. 2. ETIAS does not grant you the right to work or live in Europe. Third, final entry is always at the discretion of the border guard. The new ETIAS rule is just a simple mandatory step. It's a quick online form that secures your travel for 3 years. By preparing ahead of time, you can ensure your European vacation goes off without a hitch. I've put the link to the official ETIAS website in the description below. Please use only that link. If you want to stay ahead of changing travel rules, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.